Þú myndi heldur ekki fara að hlæja, sko. Okay. Bike check. 2012. Start with the front end, I guess. Shadow little ones, which were originally blue, but I painted them black because they did not fit with the color scheme of my bike. And this hub KHE Affix something laced to this rim, which I don't know what is called because there is no sticker on it. It came with a hub, complete wheel set thing. Brand new Cult D-Hard, I don't know. Tires, which I got today, and they are rolling in the right direction, as you can see. Fit Shiv 2 with this cool crew sticker I put on. Odyssey headset, brand new Odyssey Tomahawk stem, kink, wolf bars, and this is also the Insanity Wolf meme, which I think is pretty funny and cool. Cult, D-Hard, I don't know, grips. See? Cult. Probably the best grips I've ever had. Damn good. Grip well. Sweat does not like make you slip on them. Also, yeah, here we have the Cult OS V2 with dirt on it, and it's a frame I bought in 2011, and it's a good frame. Some random bottom bracket, and spacers are also, I don't know, some spacers. I think these are Redline device. It says right there. Okay, and these gusset pedals, I don't know anything about them, but they came from Canada, and Shadow Conspiracy V2 Hufflink. This is an animal sprocket. Wait a minute. There you can see that animal. Back end is, oh shit. This is my kink seat post. I don't know what it's called, probably stop or something. Premium fat seat. It's okay. This complete wheel, which is missing like 6 or 7 spokes. Gotta get to replacing that. Cult D-Hard 2.1. Oh yeah. Front one is a 2.25, and my back one is a 2.1. It has a different tread pattern. I don't know why, but they are both brand new. Bought today, or I got them today. I've been waiting for 2 weeks. Shadow hub guard, mission, cassette hub from Kink, I think. Let's do an Alienation black sheep rim. It's a complete wheel set. I got it for like $100 or something. Also, I have a Shadow Conspiracy hub guard in the front as well. So that is pretty much my bike. Oh yeah, and these bar ends are something, I don't know, I think they're from Fit or Kink, I don't know, but okay, later.